It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Unfortunately, I did hit a palm tree. Oh, she's gonna be so mad. She's gonna be so mad. Sandy, when you see it, she's gonna be so mad.
We're going to Nacpan Beach.
All right, so third day here. We're gonna go try something different today. We're gonna go to Nacpan Beach.
Nacpan Beach.
Nacpan Beach.
Nacpan Beach.
It's supposed to be amazing.
The most amazing beach here. So we got a scooter, a tricycle, and he's gonna take us 45 minutes that way. We could have rented a Jeep, could have rented a bus, but we felt like it was a very unauthentic experience. So we're gonna spend 45 minutes on that thing right there. So I definitely think the drone gods are not on our side today. As we were driving, our bag fell out the back of the jeepney, and inside the bag was our Osmo, the drone, our camera gear, everything we wanted to protect from the elements. Probably about $5,000 worth of stuff. Can you imagine if the kids didn't see it fall out of the back of the tricycle? Let's keep going. We gotta push.
We're done?
We're here? So our guy couldn't make it up the hill. So I gotta get out of the Jeep so that he can come up the hill. Tricycle.
So this is the road people have been talking about that is not very jeepney friendly. Whoa!
Oh, it's about to get exciting. What's going on, guys?
Whoa! So we just went through this huge muddy puddle.
Yeah, what
I guess
happened?
the spare tire flew out.
Some fell off the thing. How you guys doing though? Otherwise,
Spotted it.
you spotted. How you guys doing?
Good.
We're just
Yeah?
getting dusted by all the dirt.
Oh my God! There it goes. All right, let's go. Oh, part of your motorcycle fell off, huh? Yeah, lift it up. Put it underneath there. Gonna stay? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Alright, so we just drove here and they just said as we got here that there's no swimming today because of strong currents. So look at the guy.
We're here.
It's a little chilly because it's so windy out.
Seems like there's a couple different ways to get out here. We opted definitely for the scooter ride, the tricycle ride, because I don't know, it just feels more cool, more authentic. You could do the bus too. I think the bus was 600 pesos per person, and the scooter was 1,500 pesos for a family of 5. So.
Hey, go.
All the way in the Philippines, they have two-legged mermaids like me.
I really want to fly the drone, but it's about 30 miles. There's about 30-mile-an-hour winds out here, and Sandy's like, no. So you got to get a drone shot.
Well, we might have to come back
Nacpan
then.
Beach. I ain't taking that damn road, that freaking scooter ride again. It's crazy, man. Oh, camera gear's covered in dirt.
Everything is covered in dirt, but
part of the journey.
that was a pretty fun, adventurous ride.
Look, the sun's coming out. The water's starting to blow up a little bit. The wind's dying down. What are we gonna do? Cut the montage.
Okay, if the wind comes down a lot, I'll let him fly it. If it stays like this or even half as much,
Oh my God, I'm getting dizzy. Don't spill it.
Yeah.
Looking good, baby.
All right, done.
Thank you. Let me, we got some handmade, fresh pina coladas. Here we go, baby. You ready to try?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Island life.
Ah, the Philippines.
Life's the beach, man. Everything's better in the Philippines. All right, so I told Sandy I had to go to the bathroom, so hopefully she doesn't see this. Well, she's gonna see it.
Unfortunately, I did hit a palm tree. So if we can just find the palm tree that it's in. All right, so the last shot I had was a bunch of coconuts on the ground with a blue bag. Which tree though, which tree? Drone? Blue bags and a coconut. Oh my God. Okay, come on, we gotta find this thing, Oh no, where is it? This one? Oh, she's gonna be so mad. She's gonna be so mad. Sandy, when you see it, she's gonna be so mad. You know what, I'm not even gonna show you this until I edit it later, and then you're gonna see everything that I went through. Holy shit. There it is. I see it. Oh, my baby. Hi, Chihuahua. It looks like the handle's broke. Oh no, the gimbal's broke. The gimbal's broken.
Oh, I'm so glad I found it. At least we found it. The shitty part is we got 3 months left over here in Southeast Asia, and I might have to buy a new drone. But at least I get to go back to Sandy with a drone. Sorry, babe. Knew I shouldn't have done it.
Should I do the walk of shame?
What?
You get it?
Get what?
Blue drone?
Move the drone.
That was funny, I go, it's taking an awfully long time here. I didn't even see it was missing.
Ah.
Did you lose it? Just came back with the bag? No, you didn't. If that thing was light, I'd beat your ass right now.
I hit a tree.
Did you? Did it hit it?
Yeah.
Did it damage it? It did? No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
You're a dick. I said if it broke off and we don't get drone shots for the rest of a 3-month trip, that would really suck. Because you should have been flying it in these conditions.
Alright, so that is officially a wrap at Nacpan Beach. We came, we saw, we lost the drone, we found it. Hey, you know, that's just the price you pay for being a travel video person.
I thought it was a prank.
What?
I thought it was a prank.
No, it's real.
I'm upset right now, I can't lie.
What? Sky, what do you think about me breaking the drone?
I thought it was a prank.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
I just came from the toilet. I had to pay 5 pesos, but I want to show you what the toilet situation is. You have to take a small bucket, fill it up with water, and that's how you flush the toilet. Oh, somebody's in there. So you have a little baby toilet in here, absolutely nothing else. No toilet seat, no toilet paper, and then you have a little bucket of water, which is how you...
Alright, so I just went to the bathroom, but I'm not going to show you that part. We'll go show you this part. Bye-bye. That's it. Bucket of water. Back in the bucket. And we're out. Got a little hand washing going on. Sounds good. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Now this could be where the story ends, but it's not. After about an hour ride back to the hotel in the tricycle, this happened.
So check it out. We've, besides crashing the drone, and Sandy's still a little pissed at me right now.
I'm so pissed.
But that's all right, because we have some friends coming right now from the United States. And we met them.
Wait, is that them?
All right, so we have the Shepherds.
Is that the Shepherds?
Oh my God, hold on. So we have the shepherds here. We met them in the U.S. at World Schooling. And they flew all the way to Philippines to meet us. Come on, say it. And what? What else? What else? What else? Come all the way up here, guys. Oh my God. Careful on the edge there, Nick. Hey, guys.
How was the drive coming here?
It actually
Guys, hi. Say hi.
Was it bad?
I mean, it was a little
Michael. Welcome. What are you working on?
So how did
This is a mango pineapple smoothie.
We were cleaning up for a minute. We go, it's just a shepherd's. Then we go fun.
perfect, guys. This is like the cutest little
Isn't that cute? Yeah, all right.
Oh my gosh.
Look at all these kids. We need a limousine for all these kids. You made it, Michael. You made it. Made it!
Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you. She's
30 in Philippines.
30.
Let's do a shot.
Okay, so we're here at the mall, the market. We are here to look for fruit, healthy stuff to eat because it doesn't seem like it exists here, and something to fix the drone. That drone situation.
So, looks like I just found the screwdriver that we need to fix the drone. So, 1 of 2 is down. 15 pesos. Let's do it.
Quick.
What are you doing? Okay. Right, you found some tools? Okay, we need some JB Weld. And they got a lot of stuff here. 20 pesos, I mean, this is plastic steel epoxy. I think this is what we need right here. You can bond together aluminum, metal, stuff like that. You can drill it, sand it, prime it. This is one.
Fix a drone with it.
Fix a drone with it. Doesn't say drone fixing on here, but I think we might be able to pull it off. Okay. Today's the day we're gonna fix the drone. We got our epoxy and we got our baby screwdriver. So hopefully, if everything goes right, we'll be flying this drone today. Fingers crossed. As you can see right here, this little piece broke off. All right, stage 1 is done. Now on to stage 2.
Oh my God.
All right, I was hoping that we would have some great news about this point, that we would be loading this thing up, doing some cool drone montage right now, but it doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. We got about an hour and a half till we have to catch a ferry downtown. We have to pack up the whole room. Kind of disappointed, but I have to stop working on this so that we can get out of here and make it to Coron and see what we can do about getting another one of these. We just landed in Cebu.
All right, so we're here. Sky's looking better.
Waiting on a taxi, waiting on a taxi. We're in Cebu for a stopover before we go to Bohol, which is south. No drone shops the rest of the way. Once we go to Thailand, we're going to Krabi. No drone shops there. So we have 3 hours. Game on.
We're gonna see if we could buy a new drone today. It looks like there might be some shops here in town in Cebu City that sell it.
He touched the drone on Nacpan Beach.
Macy's. All right.
Daddy got the little one.
Yeah,
The Mavic Pro only, not Platinum, Primer combo is 62,500.
the cheapest Mavic Pro that you have. Well, let us pay for it first, okay, Ray?
So you attach your drone in the
A lot of money, huh? So, Ray, what do you think? Did Daddy mess up a little bit?
Yes.
Did Mommy tell me not to fly it?
Yes.
Did Daddy fly it anyway?
Mhm.
And now we gotta pay for it?
Yes.
Do you think we should listen to Mommy?
Nope.
Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay.
All right, we got a drone. Oh, thank goodness we got a drone.
All right, are you gonna fly the damn thing in again?
We're gonna listen to whatever you tell us, Mommy.
And I'm still pissed at Jimmy. But at least we could do aerial stuff for the rest of our trip, which is very, very important.
Daddy.
So, we're back in business.
Daddy, we try and make Mommy pee her pants. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to YouTube. And don't forget to turn on your notification button.